Samsung's latest Galaxy Tab S8 lineup is designed for a video-first world. Hey guys, Daanesh here from Tech Radar, and the first thing you'll notice about the Tab S8, the Tab S8 Plus and the Tab S8 Ultra are their incredibly thin profiles, but they're also incredibly robust with their armor aluminium protection. At the heart, just like its flagship smartphone series, each tablet shares a similar makeup. You'll find the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 4nm chip, up to 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. You're also able to use the S Pen on each tablet and conveniently store it at the back. Samsung software features obviously help with this, catering to multitasking, split screen view and the ability to interact with other devices in the ecosystem. The Galaxy Tab S8 series is more canvas than we have ever seen before. The largest Tab S8 Ultra has a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz display with super thin 6.3mm bezels. The Tab S8 Plus is smaller at 12.6 inch and has the same display characteristics, whereas the Tab S8 has an 11-inch LCD panel. The difference in display type also means different S Pen features. So while the Tab S8 Plus and Tab S8 Ultra share that natural S Pen experience with a 2.8 millisecond low response time, it's higher on the Tab S8. Also exclusively to the biggest Tab S8 Ultra is a dual front camera. The set of 12 megapixel sensors are housed in this sharp notch, which serves as a way for better video calls and provides up to 4K recording. And that's really the strongest point of the lineup, the fact that you have some incredible software support from Samsung to truly take advantage of the large form factor. One UI 4 works seamlessly here with features like a DeX mode and the ability to connect the tablet with a Windows PC and use it as a second screen. So there's a lot to look forward to with the Galaxy Tab S8 series, and with our brief hands-on, the Tab S8 Ultra, despite it being large, has left a solid impression. We hope to spend more time with these tablets in the next couple of weeks and bring you a full review of our experience. So make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.